Hello everyone, myself Apurva Tambe and today I am here to present the presentation on sales management subject and my topic name is Nestle India on FMCG industry presented to Assistant Professor Mrs. Parul Bhagat ma'am. Moving to the next slide, this is about the company. Henry O. Nestle, he is the founder of the Nestle. Nestle India Limited is the Indian subsidiary of Nestle, which is a Swiss multinational company. Nestle from a company in India has set up its first factory in 1961 at Moga, Punjab. Presently, the world's largest and most diversified food company, Mr. Suresh Narayan, he is the chairman and managing director of Nestle. The mission of the Nestle company is good food, good life, is to provide consumer with the best tasting, most nutritious choice in a wide range of food and beverages categories and eating occasions from morning to night. The vision of Nestle company is to bring the best in everything they touch to handle. The mainly target audience is everyone is 2 to 5 50 years people's target Nestle. Moving to the next slide, this is the brand of the Nestle India. Nestle have so many brand on and products like a milk product and nutrition, beverages, prepared dish and cooking air, chocolate and confectionery. Moving to the next slide, this is a SWOT analysis of Nestle company. The SWOT analysis of Nestle company is strength. First one is a strength. The strength of the Nestle company is strong support parent company, the world largest processed food and beverages company, strong brand like a Nescafe, Maggi and KitKat, continuously introducing new product in Indian market. The opportunity weaknesses, the weaknesses of Nestle company is complex supply chain management. The opportunity of Nestle company is potential to expand the smaller town and geographic. The company has the option to expand its product portfolio by introducing more brand. And the last one is threats of the Nestle company is impairs competition from the organized as well as the unorganized sector, increase consumer spending on consumer durable resulting in lower spending on FMCG product. Moving to the next slide, this is a 4 P's of the India. The 4 P's is product, price, place and promotion. The Nestle have so many product like a baby food, chocolate and confectionery, bottled water, coffee, chilled and frozen food, beverages, dairy food service, healthcare, nutrition, ice cream and pet care. Nestle products are very good quality. Its product control on the local level to meet the need of the client. The second P is price. Nestle price power is due to its packaging or consumption based pricing. In comparison to the competitors, Nescafe and Maggi are priced with a bigger margin because it is a product quality and is sufficient. In order competitive price on other items such as the KitKat and Munch place, Nestle products are available in every market. Nestle product can easily available to the rural area, urban area, and the in so rural area and urban area. Promotion, Nestle has always come up with some creative marketing concept. For example, Maggie, which is a link with the 2-minute snacks that women can readily prepare for their kids. Nestle distinct marketing message for the KitKat, have a break, have a KitKat. They used to variety of media like a television, print, commercials and online advertisement. Moving to the next slide, that is the market campaigns of the Nestle. Uh, the very first one is a Nescafe. This is a campaign by Nescafe was launched in the July 2020 as India was preparing to come out its series of lockdown in COVID-19 and bring life in the new normal to encourage the youth of the country in dream at the objective and their goal. The second one is a caring campaign, Puri Tasalli, Pura Portion Puri Tasalli. This campaign was intended by Nestle Caregrow in the 2019, targeting urban couple who had a children between the age of 2 to 5 years in India, where parents pay a lot of attention to their child health and proper nutrition right way from the child birth. The the brand show its product and communicated the care grow not only fulfill the child hunger but also provide the right kind of nutrition. And the third one is the campaign for the Maggie lover, Mary Maggie has been one of the most successful mass campaign led by an brand in India. It started with to motivate and promote Maggie as a snack. This is all about the Nestle. This is all about the information about the Nestle India. Thank you.